Hey everyone, Nice and Rick Vlogs here again. Today I'm going to give you a Jamaican brown stew chicken video. Okay, so as you can see, this is my chicken. I love to season my chicken before to let it marinate. So this is the brown stew chicken, and I already seasoned it and everything. Put it down a couple. I think it was there for 1 hour to marinate. There you go. You have seen it. I have my carrot, my thyme, scallion, onion,
That feels
my
good.
Irish sweet pepper,
Baby.
my brown. So
That feels good. Baby.
Jamaican brown stew chicken. As you can see, I have my oil here heating. So I'm just heating my oils, and then I'm going to add my chicken. So guys, you have to be careful when you're adding, because you know oil is hot. See how it is spilling? Have to be careful, guys. So I'm taking my time, adding my chicken.
That feels good. That feels good. Baby.
My chicken.
That feels good. Baby.
Okay guys, so I'll be back so you can see how it looks when it's cooking. Okay, so that's my brown stew chicken, guys. Yes guys, so I'll be also cooking some rice, but today is the brown rice, so I'll be cooking some brown rice today. So what I normally do, or what most Jamaicans normally do, is wash our rice. Well, I just wash it 3 times, or sometimes 4 times. So I'll be washing this 3 or 4 times, and then I'll put it on the stove. I'll add some salt, and I add a piece of butter also. Alright, so there you have it, guys. My rice is already on the stove. It's brown rice, so I'm going to add some salt. And I'm also going to add a piece of butter. So that's just some salt and a piece of butter, guys. This is the butter that I use. It's the golden brown margarine. It's the reduced fat. So that's the butter that I use. Really nice butter to use, guys. So I'm going to now cover it and let it can boil up and cook. And here's my brown stew. It's just cooking, guys. As you can see, my Jamaican brown stew chicken. Yes guys, if you come to Jamaica, this is a must to try. Yes, most Jamaicans love brown stew chicken. going to add some more water to this and let it continue to cook.